I'm here in the Kingbird Model Home at Cardinal Creek Village, and I've got a terrific summertime dessert that I'm going to show you today. For this great dessert, it's a s'mores parfait. So of course we have to start with indoor campfire. I'm going to start by torching these marshmallows to give them that nice campfire look. Hopefully I won't set too many of them on fire. Isn't that what always happens when you're making s'mores at a campfire? And you can also do this under the broiler, or you can just use the marshmallows plain if you wish. So those are set, and we'll let them cool. I can see one that's just burning a little bit there, so we'll put it out before it gets carried away. So I love to make desserts like this in a mason jar. You could use wine glasses, you could use just ordinary drinking glasses. It's just fun if it's something that you can see through to see the layers. And while graham crackers are often used for s'mores, I've got these beautiful maple cookies because it's so Canadian. So we're going to start with a layer of cookies in the bottom of each jar. And there's no measuring needed here, you just kind of eyeball it. And then whipped cream, you could certainly spoon in whipped cream that you've whipped yourself, but again, this spray stuff is fun, and it's real whipped cream, a lot of them, so you can watch for that. And that looks like a lot, but it's gonna shrink down in a minute when we add chocolate sauce. And you could also use chocolate chips if you like. I just really love chocolate sauce. And to make it extra festive, we're going to sprinkle on some salted caramel baking chips. You could use butterscotch chips, you could use score bits, chocolate chips, whatever you like. Just trying to get a whole lot of flavors going on in there. Now we're going to add another layer of our crushed cookies. If you're with family, you could set this up as like a little dessert bar and people could assemble their own. That would be kind of fun. And more whipped cream. Of course, more chocolate sauce. And you can see the layers in the jars. They just look so fun. Because the whipped cream does collapse, you can't really assemble these ahead of time, but like I said, you can have all the components ready. And they do just take moments to assemble. There we go. And now we'll pick up our torched marshmallows. And then you just kind of transfer the heap to the top, like that. And our perfect s'mores parfaits are ready to be enjoyed.